What's going on, Ebony Afro World? We are back again, this time with a sweet delicacy unboxing. So here I am opening this box. I got this from thesupremebeanpie.com. So if you've ever heard of these are bean pies. They're really delicious, a very great treat. Sometimes you'll see people walking around selling them at corners, etc. On the inside, you've got this little slip here. It says thank you for your purchase, and a portion of all their proceeds go to Muhammad University of Islam. On the back, it also has some contact information where you can get them at Instagram and Facebook at Supreme Bean Pie. That's at Supreme Bean Pie. So this time I ordered 2 of their bean pies. This is getting shipped straight out of Chicago. It arrived probably just a couple days into the new week, couple business days into the new week. I ordered the previous week, probably on a Thursday or Friday, so late in the week. And they'll process all their orders at the start of the new week. So they arrived within 2 days of the following week. And so here they are. They're placed into this box. Both of them are individually packaged in their plastic casing, and then around that they've got some bubble wrap. They're traveling quite a bit of a distance coming from Chicago. So I'm just going to open this up here. If I can manage to do that. And so, yeah, so now you can see kind of the pie itself and what it looks like inside of the plastic casing. Turn it around to the front. And there you have it. So it might be a little hard to see, but within the overall plastic casing, the bean pie itself is also wrapped in plastic. So there it goes. You've got the Supreme Bean Pie and some of the contents. Vanilla, milk. This is made from the navy bean. Eggs, butter, all-purpose flour. And that's just kind of a profile of it. And it's pretty weighty itself. So once you get it outside of the packaging, I was able to tear open kind of that thin plastic outer covering of it, so I can give you guys kind of a close-up of what the actual baking quality of this looks like. Once I get this open, just kind of tear it open on the side. All right. So, once I got this open, I was actually able to taste it, and it is fantastic. Honestly, like, it's really, really good. And I can, like, if I were to live my life without sweet potato pie and pumpkin pie and only eat the Supreme Bean Pie, I would be very satisfied. Like, it's that good. I don't know what exactly I was expecting, but I just didn't know that it would be this good. So I ordered 2 on my first round, and I'm probably gonna order 2 more for sure. So this is kind of a close-up right here. You can see, hopefully, that it's constructed really, really well. It's baked all the way around, and it's a really, really nice treat. So overall, I would say for sure recommend it. Go ahead and check them out. Once again, that's thesupremebeanpie.com. Also find them on Facebook and Instagram at Supreme Bean Pie. Check them out. And if you happen to be watching this episode during Ramadan, they're currently giving out a sale. That's a 10% off discount discount coupon that you can enter on their website, and that coupon code is Ramadan. So if you just so happen to watch this this year, 2022, in the month of Ramadan, go ahead and check them out. And even if you're curious, you're not sure if it would taste that great, go ahead and try it out. And then you tell me, let me know if it really is what all the word and news is all about. For me, for sure it is. And I'm going to order 2 more for myself and 2 more for someone else. So check them out if you have the opportunity to. Really great purchase. And yes, black owned. This is a black owned business. Support them, patronize them, at the very least follow them on Instagram or Facebook, and they're doing really great work. So shout out to them, shout out to NOI, and we'll see you all next video.